Hi, welcome to CrunchTechy. Today I'm going to share with you how do you actually add admin to your company page in linking. If you have new staff or have staff you want them to have access to your company page and post for you, okay, manage your linking account. I'm going to show you how do you do that. And if you have staff that has left the company and you want to remove their access, I'll show you how to remove. So first of all, you need to log into your company linking page. Okay, I'm now in my linking page, and then you go to settings. Then click on manage admins. Okay, manage admins. So now I'm admin. Okay, so basically to add an admin is click here add admin, and then you search for a member to assign roles. Okay, you need to search for a member as a assign roles, and the person has to be in linking. Okay, the person has to be in linking. So, for example, I'll just put anything like, for example, Tom example. Yeah, example, things like that. Tom. I, so you have to find which person is your staff, and then you must select the person. Okay, select the person, and then assign them according to whether is it a super admin, which match everything on your page. Okay, match everything, and then you can also match all admins, super admin, no? Or is it just content admin? That means they can manage and contents, comments in the page and response to messages and export analysis. Probably is content admin. You want to give you your stuff, and if you have your own, maybe your own family members, you give them super admin roles and all that. Okay, so that you yourself is a super admin, and maybe someone that is related to you, you give them a super admin access. The rest stuff maybe is content admin. Okay. And then analysis only to view and export analytics. Okay. And yeah, have limited access. So basically it's this lah, mostly. Okay. Yeah. Then they can post if it is your stuff. So the person has to be in linking and then they will be given admin access. And then to remove, right, the stuff that has left the company, just click this remove page admin. And that's it. This is how to add and remove admin in linking. If you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. To follow me as well in linking and also in YouTube. Okay, thanks for watching. Goodbye.